riches, welcome back again into another YouTube video. As you guys can see, we're back again with a breakdown Tuesday. If you guys know, I have a group in Infinity and Riches, which I currently send signals as well as help and motivates. But anyways, you guys, this was the trade we took. We took today. It was USDCAD. We went in for 30 pips. If you guys want to see, I'll show you guys. So I sent it to the group. It was at 11:35 a.m. I sent out the trade. It was a sell at 1.27550. We got 30 pips, stop loss to break even, and it was just that simple. But I know you guys are here for the analysis, so let's go ahead and get started. So first thing first, you guys, I know my chart is a little messy, which I think I should just remove all of this for you guys. Okay, no. Okay, so as you guys can see, first let's get a clear view of the market. What you guys can see is the market was creating lower highs and lower lows. So the market was indicating that we was in a downtrend. As you guys can see here, once I put my trade around here, you guys will see that price did create another lower low, right? And you guys can see that price, after creating a lower low, it was consolidating, gave us a little pullback, right? Retested this because we're on daily, this level of resistance. So you guys can see that you guys can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rejections. After price did leave the rejection, it barely closed below this previous structure high, which it did close high, but after it left this wick behind, you guys can see that it didn't get to break this level of resistance. So what price did was that it came back down, and it looks like we might be going even lower after price gave us like a 80% of engulfment to this previous candlestick back here. So if we zoom out, if we put our chart, you guys can see that it did create a lower high. It's most likely to create a lower low if price does follow technicals, and I would say sort of price can come to this level right here. But for now, you guys know that we are on a downtrend. Our exponential moving average is down. You guys can see that it just gave us a sort of a rejection, a fake out, and it came back below. So it happened here too. Don't get mistaken by these fake outs. As long as price doesn't break previous highs, major highs, then you guys should be looking to follow the trend. But anyways, let's go down to 4 hour. So 4 hour, what I saw was that after price gave us like a fake breakout, and one thing I do want to explain to you guys is that, like I said on around episode or volume 1, I told you guys that there's 3 types of level of resistance or support, but we're gonna do resistance, right? So what price is gonna do is that either it's gonna come, react and reject off this level and continue down, right? It will either go up, break this level of resistance and come back down and just continue to go lower, or price will just give us a gapper, right? It wouldn't necessarily touch this level of resistance and it will continue to go lower. But out of these 3, what we saw was this, right? We saw that price did come back, right, with a candlestick. So price closed up high with a candlestick, right? And then boom, a candlestick came below, and that's literally how price created a wick, right? Because price did engulf, so that's how price created a wick and left a rejection behind. But that's what happened here. Price came back up, came back down and rejected, right? And after rejection, you guys can see that this level of resistance right here, let me go ahead and put it. Okay, it's there. This level of resistance, it held for 1 to 3 hours, right? And it continued to go lower. So after I saw that price did held in this level, I was a little late, but I entered nearly off New York, I think. Yes, New York session. Yes, I entered off New York session, and that's how the trade just continued going down to my lower time frame. The time frames I really looked at was mostly 15 minute and minute 5 was the time frame I entered. So once I saw that minute 5 right was below our EMA, which is our exponential moving average, right, I was like, okay, since price is down, since it gave us extra confluence on hour 4, I was looking for this type of candlestick right here, this engulfing this engulfing candlestick right there, right, but around here. So once we was around here, I entered based on this candlestick right here. It's literally the same thing I showed you guys. You guys can see our bullish candlestick and then engulfment, bullish candlestick, engulfment. I entered there. After I entered, price decided to come back up, retest once again this level of resistance, which was support, and then became resistance, and it ended up going down. So if you guys go to a bigger time frames, you guys can see that was just a wick that it left behind, and it was just a retest of this level right here, you guys. And price did come down, and it also gave us a cross here. So once price gave us a cross on our EMAs, it gave us confirmation that it was going to continue to go down. So this trade was just that easy. It wasn't just like too much movement, but as you guys can see, that was our USDCAD trade. Like I said, this level of resistance were respected, and then that's when I started to see more like an eye to the downside. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you guys do want to go ahead and join Infinity and Riches, you guys are free to. We're just progressing a lot there, and we're just growing. And as well, I'm really honored to make these videos for you guys. But anyways, my Instagram is going to be below. Everything is going to be below in the description. And I thank you guys for watching this video. Okay guys, so for this Technical Tuesdays as well, I will give you guys a live trade that I sent to the group. Until we see what progress the trade has made, I will actually upload the video once we're done. But yeah, we're in a live trade right now with US30. One thing I do see from USD30 is that if we put this, we're on an uptrend. One thing I do see is that our EMAs are really far off our bodies, our candlestick bodies, meaning that it is rejecting, right? You guys can see level 3080 or 3900 perfectly on this candlestick body low. You guys can see that price did come in not once but twice but 3 times and 4 times. It rejected. After coming down, it rejected multiple times and touched our AEMA, right? And is actually on an uptrend. Okay, you guys can see that it's creating higher lows and higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. So what I expect the market to do is at least come back to the structure high, and you guys can see that we do have multiple rejections. It might be getting a little weak around this area, but again, looking at the bigger picture, we are rejecting these EMAs and as well creating levels of support around that area. But what my current position I am, okay, looking at it, price came back down, right, broke previous structure lows, didn't break this low. This was the lower low, the lowest low, okay, not the lower low but the lowest low, right? Price came into, rejected. After breaking this low, it made a low, but as you guys can see, it engulfed, and it also gave us sort of like a cross, meaning or giving us like a signal that it can probably move a little bit higher. Right after this engulfment, price been consolidating after this engulfment. This might be continuation to the upside after price consolidating, not giving us sort of like breaking this level of support. If you guys, let me put it here, it hasn't been breaking this level of support. Okay, you guys can see we got multiple rejections around this area. You guys can see after coming down rejecting, right, it made a low. So I could say this is my shoulder, head shoulder, and then it might continue to go higher. We just need to see exactly what market's gonna do, but that's what I seen from my H4, right? It's rejecting a level. It's also rejecting a psychological level. Oh my god, what did I just do? No. Cancel. Okay, sorry. Psychological level 31,100, if I'm not wrong. Yes, 31,100, right? It rejected a psychological level 31,100 multiple times. After coming down, not breaking our EMAs, it looks like we might have a chance to continue to go higher. But going for my entries right now, you guys can see consolidating, leaving wicks behind, right? Entry wise, I enter based on this candlestick, right? After I seen that it did close above our bodies right here, I entered. Ever since, it been consolidating, but looking at my higher time frame, it might give us a chance to go a little bit higher. I have this line here because price can give us actually a rejection and probably come lower, right? So if price give us a rejection here, I would close, but for now this is my target. And yeah, we're going for 170 points, 17 points, which is it's a really good trade. It's normal. I mean, it's my normal target, so that is what we're looking at right now. But this is our live trade. I hope you guys, for those that I sent out the signal, you guys already know we're just gonna wait and always be patient. But anyways, see you guys in the next video. I will show the live results or the results after this trade, whether whether his TP or whether his stop loss. You know, we always wanted to hit TP, but you guys have to know that you guys will not always win in the market. All we want is consistency. You know, we want to have most wins over losses. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.